using today Ego's new dual battery 56 volt 3200 psi electric pressure washer. Model number is HPW 3304-2. Benefits of this to me is the ability to pull water out of a bucket and or a stream. So when I'm done riding this out in the woods, I don't have to bring it home, spray all the mud off in my driveway. It's portable. You can take it, you can use it. So far, rinsed it off. The pressure washer is very quiet. I feel like the low setting probably will not get used that much compared to my gas 3200 psi pressure washer. The medium setting is close. Turbo setting is more appropriate, but I don't think it's necessary for medium duty cleaning. Maybe heavy duty if you're really pressure washing the ground or trying to get some moss off a pavement or something like that. Other than that, soap her up, wash her up, and let you hear it. One downfall I do see, and it's overcast today, it is not sunny, is that it is hard to see the lights on the wand. This is running on high. I'm able to talk over it, unlike my gas machine. Put her on turbo. And even on turbo, the loudest portion is the pressure wash water coming out of the nozzle. You can't hear it over the, or you can't hear the pressure washer over the nozzle pressure. Alright, well, after using it, I do like it. I think it might be a little steep in price for a lot of people unless you already have the Ego ecosystem, but for me it's a good fit. I don't like the sound of the gas ones running the whole time when I'm just doing little projects like this, constantly having to shut it off, restart it, move on to the next step, so it's nice to just be able to walk away and not have to worry about messing with the pressure washer.